Hey guys, so I'm here at the Neon Apartments. These I've been scoping for a minute now, so I thought I'd come in because Helix, you guys, it is impossible to get a hold of anybody in those apartments. I've gone twice, no one has answered the door, no one's inside. Like, it is, yeah, I don't know, it's a mystery, but I thought I'd come here, check these out because they're very, very nice. And I think they're only like 2-bedroom, 2 baths. So let's go check them out. That is a metro police station, and then this is all like medical hospitals and stuff like that. So let's go check these apartments out, you guys. They look really nice, so check them out.
They have like some corn, some squash. We have like bell peppers and different things of that nature. You can most definitely include some of your turd bases. We have our Buddha head, which usually is kind of has a waterfall, but at this moment we're
And this complex only does 2-bedroom, 2 bath?
2-bedroom, 1 bath.
1 bath, got it.
And everything's gonna look the same, so it's gonna be the same vinyl flooring, same floor, wall, even the kitchen.
Sweet. That's really nice. Very spacious. Closet, pretty big. So pretty, you guys. It's so quiet too. I love it. Super cute. Super, super cute. Alright, let's go look at the neighborhood. Alright guys, so I just toured the Neon apartments. That was super cute inside. They have like a garden where you can literally go and pick out like mint leaves, coriander. She said that sometimes they have corn, which is super cool. So the interior and energy efficient features a stainless steel appliances, wood vinyl flooring, mirrored closet doors, and gas range with ducted hood vent, a Nest thermostat, dual flush toilet, LED lights, smart flow shower, and Kivo locks. So this one here, you have to make 2.5 times the rent amount. It is $55 application, a $300 admin. Parking is first come, first serve, so you don't have to pay for parking. The dog is a $350 deposit, and then it's $30 a month on top of your rent. She also said that these are 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and the upstairs goes for $1450. The downstairs goes for $1350. So it's really, really cool. And that's the layout right there. Super cute, you guys, for something that is just outside of downtown. You are next to a freeway, so you can literally hop on and then get to like wherever you need to go. But right now, let's do the maps. Let's see how far everything is at. Costco is really close, you guys. It's crazy how close Costco is. It is a 4-minute drive. Do you see where that blue dot is? That's where Costco is. And I'll go and drive by just to show you how the Costco looks like and everything. It does have the petrol station as well. Where you're at, like where that blue dot is, that's exactly where the apartments are, and it's literally just behind a huge university medical center. It also has a police station right there, which is, yeah, what is it called again? I think it's like Metro Police Station. So you got that. Smith's is really close as well. Yes, as you can see, that is 5 minutes away from where we are. And then let's do Fremont. Fremont Street is 7 minutes away from these apartments. Let's do Trader Joe's. Alright, I think the closest one is that one, which that's the one that I go to. So that is about a 12-minute drive. I'm pretty sure you just get on the freeway and you're good to go. We do Walmart as well. Alright. Alright, so if you wanted to do Walmart, that is the one. That's a super center that is 10 minutes away from where we are. And then let's do Target. Alright, so Target. This one. That's 21 minutes away. Let's do... Okay, so that one would be the closest. That's 14 minutes away from where we are. That would be... That's very close to Trader Joe's. So it's almost in the same area as Trader Joe's. So that one would be it. And that looks like it is a market as well. So you can grab food and stuff. Alright. So the Bellagio is 15 minutes away from where we are. That would be the closest. You got Caesars as well. That is a 12-minute drive. So it's not that far from the Strip. You're pretty close to it. Pretty much as you can see, you have the Bellagio, Caesars Palace, the Flamingo, and then the Paris Hotel all within each other. I do believe that those hotels are like smacked in the middle of the Strip, so I always choose those hotels. Okay, let's do IKEA. So IKEA is 24 minutes away. Alright, Blue Dot is where we are, and then IKEA is right there. So it's quite a little bit of a way, but I feel like as soon as you get on the freeway, you're pretty much good to go. Also too, there is a Wi-Fi internet for the community. It's a high-speed Wi-Fi internet included. They also give you $100 for your Nevada energy, towards your Nevada energy as well. So that's pretty good. They also do yoga every Saturday. It is a small community, she said, but she goes, we like it that way because you get to know the residents and stuff, and everyone knows everyone. And as you guys saw, it is super clean, very nice. There is pretty much nothing around it, just a huge freeway, police station, Costco around the corner. That's pretty much it. And then right behind it you have the hospitals. So I feel like it's pretty good, and it looks really decent inside. And for the price, I mean, for 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, it's $14.50 upstairs. Downstairs is $13.50. So it's actually a pretty good price. So if you guys like this, definitely check her out. The lady's name is Sabrina, so just give her a call and schedule you know, a tour just to see the place if you do like it. If it fits your budget and everything, definitely check these out, because I do believe that the price is actually really good for the area. Now you guys, I did a poll yesterday. I asked what is people's budgets, and most of your budgets were between $1,500 to $2,000. So I'm trying, I know tomorrow actually, yes, tomorrow I'm going to the Elysian at the Palms. The lady was a little rude on the phone, but I'm going in there just being neutral and check it out and see like that. I do know that the Elysian are known for their fees, so we're gonna go check it out, but we're going in there neutral, so we're not gonna judge just yet. Also too, I'm gonna do the uncommon ones, and then I'm trying my very best to get to the Helix one. So, but right now, let's go check out that Costco. All right guys, so that building in front of me is the Metro Police Station. So that is where that is at. And then let's go check out the Costco. right now what you're seeing is the freeway, and behind that freeway is going to be the outlets, the huge like shopping outlets, which is pretty good. So yeah, that is pretty much the neighborhood of this place, of these apartments. This is pretty much what you're going to be seeing when you come here. Yeah, I can't wait to show you the Costco, guys, because it's really, really nice. Unfortunately, I am a Sam's Club girl, so but I feel like most people are Costco people, so you're really gonna enjoy this one. Alright guys, this is the Costco, and even though it says business center, we've gone there so many times, so you are allowed to go as long as you have their membership. Then you're pretty much good to go. And then over here is where the petrol station is, which to me is pretty cool. So it's so close to the apartments, you guys, it's crazy. There, as you guys can see, that you can also see the Strat as well, you guys, and then that's where the petrol station is as well.